call
Next
our
set of
presentation
awards
party.
again are the franchise awards, and to do the honors, I'd like to call on stage Mr. Stuart Dick, Director International Esri Coffee, Mr. Mike Adams, MD Franchise Asia Pacific, Ms. Sonia Chaudhary, Director Franchise India Brands Limited. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them on stage. The first category is Regional Franchiser of the Year, West, and the winner is Vidya Lankar. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for them. Preparing successful students for competitive exams since 53 years.
Our next category is the Regional Franchiser of the Year, South. And the award goes to Bangs. Explosive combination, the winning chicken. Bangs, let's have them on stage, please.
Which is customer service, and the winner is Dr. Lal Path Labs Private Limited.
इन्होंने हम सबका खून लिया है. इन सबका खून लिया है इन्होंने.
And now the new trend is अब घर आके भी लेते हैं.
घर आके खून लेते हैं ये लोग. Dr. Lal Path Labs Private Limited. Let's welcome them on stage with a warm round of applause, please. The next category is Innovation and Technology. This award goes to Telematics for You Services Private Limited.
The next category is Concept of the Year, and the winner is Clone Futura Education Private Limited.
Our next category is Concept of the Year for Innovation in Education. This goes to Brain Stars Number Nagar.
Shopping Mall Developer of the Year, and no prizes for guessing this one. The winner is Select Infrastructure Private Limited. The corporate philosophy of Select City Walk is there is only one Harrods. It is not about how many malls you can make, it's about how well you can make them. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Select Infrastructure Private Limited.
Our next category is Teamwork, and the winner is Sahara Q Shop.
Our next category is Franchisable Concept of the Year, and the winner is Century 21 India.
Our next category is Franchise Supplier, and this goes to Axiom Consulting Private Limited.
Moving on to the next category, which is Debutante Franchiser of the Year, and the winner is Nandita's The Beauty Zone. Beautifying life, revise, restore, replace, and rule. Let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our next category is Debutante Franchiser of the Year. It goes to NYPFC, Lip Smacking Pizzas and Fried Chicken. The Hall of Fame award goes to DHI India, Global Leader in Hair Restoration Systems.
And our last award in this category is for Franchise of the Year, and the winner is Remax Advantage.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for all the winners in this category.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank our presentation party. Thank you so much for doing the honors.
Moving on to the next set of retail awards. To do the honors, I'd like to call on stage Ms. Ashita Maria, CEO Franchise India, Mr. Velu Murugan, CEO Velamal Group of Institutions, Ms. Ashna Saran, CEO Franchise India Exhibitions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause and welcome them on stage. Our first category is Forecourt Retailer of the Year, and the winner is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen.
Our next category is Retailer Supplier of the Year, Best Loyalty Service, and the winner is Reward Port.
Retail Market of the Year Retailer's Choice Award goes to Select Infrastructure Private Limited.
Our next category is the Retail Campaign of the Year. And, well, fantastic campaign it was for sure, so no surprise. The winner, Godrej Interior.
The Mall of the Year goes to Inorbit, Cyberabad. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for them.
14,60,093 square feet. My God, that's like the size of a city. That's how big that mall is. Fantastic.
And if you could read that, your maths is really good.
The Book and Music Retailer of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, Crossword Bookstores Limited.
Our next category is Regional Retailer of the Year East, and the winner is Prime Retail India Limited. The next category is Regional Retailer of the Year West, and the winner is The Golden Time.
The Regional Retailer of the Year North, the award goes to SSIPL Retail Limited.
Regional Retailer of the Year South goes to Universal Telecommunications India Private Limited.
The Specialty Retailer of the Year, the winner, Gopalji Dairy Foods Private Limited. Pandeyji, good to see you, Pandeyji.
Moving on to the last award in this category, which is Footwear Retailer of the Year, and the award goes to Reliance Footprint Limited.
Thank you very much to our presentation party. Thank you for doing the honors. We have our fifth and final set of awards now, which is Franchise and Retail and Presentation Party.
To do the honors, I'd like to invite on stage the man himself, Mr. Gaurav Maurya, Chairman Franchise India Holdings Limited, and Mr. Robert Ridda, Partner Bradford Licensing. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, Mr. Gaurav Maurya and Mr. Ridda.
Okay, big ones these. So let's get the show on the road. The first award, the Business Leadership of the Year, and the award goes to Aura Wellness and Healing Services Private Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are the final set of awards for the night. Please keep the applause going. Our next category is Retail Professional of the Year, and the winner is Mr. Sanjeev Agarwal, MD Skechers South Asia Private Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Agarwal.
Next award is for Face of the Year for the industry. The winner, CEO and MD of Infinity Retail Limited, Mr. Ajit Joshi.
And the award for the Entrepreneur of the Year goes to Mr. Mahesh Gupta, Chairman Kent RO Systems Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for Mr. Gupta, ladies and gentlemen.
First generation entrepreneur, also known as the Pure Waterman of India. Our next award is for Master Franchisee of the Year, and the winner, Gold's Gym India.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Mr. B.A. Kodanda Raman, Chairman and Managing Director, Vivek Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir, could we just request you to say a few words on this occasion, please?
Dear friends, it's a great feeling to be honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award, which I accept with a sense of humility. I must thank all my family members without whose emotional support I would never have been able to do what I have done in the past nearly 5 decades. Inspiration came to me from my late father, who was with me for several years, providing guidance and support to me in developing Vivek into a popular brand. My brothers and our children, many of whom are part of our organization, and my external family of our all employees have really been responsible for translating my dreams into reality, and I would like to dedicate this award to all of them. Retail today is not a bed of roses. Competitive intensity is continuously increasing. Surviving and growing a retail business today needs a total dedication to meeting customer expectation. In today's market scenario, customer is not just king, but is God to the retailer. I have always valued customer relationship for me. Customers have been and will always be my driving force. Thank you for the honor done to me by bestowing on me this Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you very much once again. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those lovely, encouraging words.
Thank you so much, sir. The Lifetime Achievement Award. A big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Moving on to the next category, which is Outstanding Contribution in Indian Licensing and Merchandising. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Pran.
We all, of course, have grown up being big fans of his work. We're all fans of Chacha Chaudhary. Ladies and gentlemen, the creator, please give him a warm round of applause.
His contribution towards Indian comics, comprising over 600 published titles, Mr. Gulshan Rai, MD Diamond Comics, has been playing an important role in bringing the characters created by Mr. Pran to readers. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge, huge round of applause, Mr. Pran.
I am thankful to the selection committee of Bradford and franchise of India that they considered me worth this award. It took me many years, sheer hard work, 50 years, and over 600 comic books to make this red turbaned man popular. Once Shakespeare said, "What is there in a name? A rose will smell as sweet as by any other may." I think perhaps at that time Shakespeare did not know the meaning of or the importance of franchising and branding. If you associate your product with a popular brand, the statistics shows that it will sell more and more certainly. And again, I express my gratitude to you, all of you, that you gave me recognition. Thank you.
Ladies and
again-
gentlemen, really a part of all our growing up years and part of our education, Chacha Chaudhary. Please, a warm round of applause one final time for Mr. Pran. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all the fantastic stories. Thank you.
Moving on to the second last award for the night, ladies and gentlemen, which is Retailer of the Year. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Bata India Limited. Bata is one of the leading retailers of India and has been holding a unique space in the hearts of Indians for more than 75 years. It has retail stores spread across over 500 cities in India.
And if Chacha Chaudhary ruled our heads and our hearts, Bata ruled our feet when we were kids, don't they?
I totally agree.
Okay, our final award of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, the Franchiser of the Year. Please put your hands together for Titan Industries Limited. But thank you so much. You've been an absolutely fantastic audience.
I
Can we
request
get-
Mr. Gaurav Maria and Mr. Robert Ritter to please come back on stage and let's have all the award winners for that one photo op I'm sure everybody's been waiting for.
the master franchise photo.
Yes.
So can we just please have all those of you with trophies in your hands, if we could just have you up on stage, please. We'd like to get a big wide-angle shot, something that would be frame-worthy for all of you.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause for all the winners.
So from us, it's goodbye, Ramneek.
It's good night and goodbye for us. And thank you all for being such a great audience.